trash ass nigga.
No.
The point on the serve that you yeah. You're not saying bullshit. You said bullshit. No.
Expecting a lot of niggas to be digging in my shit right now.
Just tell them.
Are you already recording? What's up, young
Damn,
niggas?
bro, I look bad at that angle. I ain't gonna lie.
What's the difference between a real and a fake?
I'm deep. I can't go to sleep. I can't see disease.
I was like humping each other at the same time.
That's
Whoa.
crazy, bro.
So I guess motherfuckers can't celebrate now.
That's
What?
how you
That's how you
celebrate
celebrate?
with your niggas?
Bro,
You be humping niggas?
it's not what
That's
happened.
what y'all niggas do in basketball? Jerry, that's what they
I
be
put
doing
my
up
legs
there?
up.
Nah, don't ask me, bro.
Nigga, you a hooper, nigga.
I know. I don't be.
Y'all
Humping
niggas
niggas
celebrate
is
by
celebration.
humping niggas is
No.
crazy, bro.
I've never heard of that.
That is crazy work.
Nigga, you saying that's crazy work, but you doing the hump.
I'm not doing no type of humping. What?
All right, bro.
Alright, bro.
I'm being dead ass, bro. My legs was grabbed. That doesn't mean I was humping nobody.
Yo, you say your legs was grabbed?
Huh?
You say your legs was
You liked
grabbed?
it though.
Huh? Wait, what?
You liked it though.
No.
You just was trying to justify celebrating by humping niggas. So,
You said that, not me. I never
Nigga,
that shit.
yeah, I don't know
nigga,
why.
I
you-
never do.
Nigga, we
I
got,
never
we
play
got
of
it
the
on
year.
cam, nigga.
You said what, bro?
You can
Adam
tap
Moses
that
Jerry,
Player
shit.
of
nigga,
the
Jerry
year.
that's watching this, bro. Put the edit back where this nigga was trying to justify humping niggas.
So I guess motherfuckers can't celebrate now. That's crazy.
That's
What?
like this nigga. You literally said, "Well, it was a celebration, bro."
I was celebrating. He said humping. I never said humping.
You said-
so I guess motherfuckers can't celebrate now. That's crazy.
You said, "Well, that's just how we celebrate, bro."
No, bro. I celebrated by getting up in the air
Huh?
and jumping up and down.
So you
Who's
you
actually
bring
near
up
Adam?
Brian. Who
Who's
brought up
actually near
Brian?
Adam?
Who's there, Brian?
Who brought up Brian?
Uh-oh, Adam.
You did it. Yeah, but this was a long time ago.
Huh?
What is a long time
Last
ago?
week, bro. This last week.
Did this motherfucker just call me a cutie? I heard.
Huh?
Dude,
What, bro? Nigga, look what's
Oh my.
point down.
Huh? Point that Hey, did you kill mom?
You want me to pull your shit?
What?
Alright, y'all stretching shit right now.
Stretching.
That was crazy.
What's wrong
He's
with
doing it
that,
on purpose,
nigga?
bro. He's not even trying anymore.
Alright.
He wants it, bro.
Warm ass fucking cuties really in your ass.
Nah, that was my
Part
pocket.
of a soggy ass cutie.
It was
How
good
the
though.
fuck you make an orange soggy?
Soggy. Hey man.
Soggy orange.
It was close to my third night.
Nah, I need one.
Day of the week.
What did you just say?
What day of the
What did you just say?
When's your life?
What
day
did
of
you
the
just say? No. What did you just say?
When is July 4th? Adam, you feel my question, right?
Nah, bro.
Oh my god.
He feeling you alright.
Whoa.
Whoa, why you touching him
Whoa.
too? Nigga, I'm not lying. Did he touch you?
You touched me, bro.
What
the hell?
You're guilty, nigga.
Wait, why do you say it
Why
like
you
that?
say it like that, bro?
Come on,
Yes,
bro.
nigga, you are Kelly to his shit.
I just thought, bro.
Yup. Hey. John got them. Hold on, bro. Let me see the braids, bro.
You got the brick fires.
Ooh,
and
them
stuff.
blood
You got the
them
brick.
bro
You got the brick
shining.
fires and
They shining.
shits.
Nah, bro.
Mm.
I'm worn out right now.
Oh.
I didn't mean it like that.
He said,
Number one.
You're a grandmaster, nigga.
Nah, I'm not Grandmaster, bro. I'm retired.
You're my Kakashi to my Team 7, nigga.
Okay. Like you going to school.
This is like, episode 1 of the YNs doing white people activity.
Indeed. First episode.
First episode, Spikeball.
Spikeball. Yeah.
We got Big York on it today right now. You feel me? What's up, John? What's up, my guy? You feel me? Like I said, it's episode 1 of YNs doing white people activities. And today's episode is Spikeball, bro.
That's Spikeball, bro.
You don't see a lot of black and minority playing Spikeball. It's a lot of white people, and that's no racist or nothing, respectfully. Shout out my niggas, my wiggas.
Bro just didn't feel like walking to the bathroom.
You been shit so much and not touching.
So just pissed in the sand, bro.
Yeah, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? Shout out my ancestors.
Your ancestors would be disappointed. Oh my gosh. Shit, I look good though, you feel me? Yeah, you not beating the light skin allegations, bro. That was bad. That was bad.
Hey, it's 9. Yeah, bro, you just scored 3 straight. 2 in a row. 9-6. You guys were not at 7. It was 8-6. 8-6. Yep, bar 2.
You said what?
I'm carrying, bro. I'm fucking.
Damn.
Woo! Hey, that was about to be bad.
That was. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Yes, sir. High IQ. That's 6. 5.
Trash ass niggas. Get trash ass niggas. No. Hey, your teammate still played with it. His teammate still played on it. His teammate still played on it.
You played on it too?
No. His teammate. You still continue to play on it. Okay, then why did you guys get a point on the serve that you gave a pocket where you were saying I was fucking running fast and shit?
What do you mean?
What? I don't even know. I still played on it. Exactly. It's our point. It's our point. You're not saying bullshit. You're saying bullshit, nigga.
Yeah.
Christian, he's not saying shit.
You just say
If we get a challenge, I'll take it.
No more challenges.
Hit the floor. Hit the floor.
Yeah, exactly. Hit the floor.
Hit the floor.
Hit the floor.
That's the challenge. Let the ball hit the floor.
I forgot.
Game 3. Oh, damn.
I'm on all 4s right now.
Nah, that's the point.
What the fuck? No, they did that shit last time.
First game? Yeah, how you feeling my first game? I'm ready. You ready?
Killer mentality going into it.
Oh, yeah?
No friends, only foes.
How you feel about your teammate Ethan?
I'm confident in his ability, you know, after what I saw last game. I know, you know, he doing some shit that I don't know what the fuck he be doing, but I'm confident.
The reigning champion, 3-time champion, 4-time champion. How you feel about this next game coming up?
I don't even know who the opponent is, but it doesn't even matter.
Jared and Ethan. How are you feeling about this matchup?
Me and Christian against Jared and Ethan, against this guy and that guy. We might skunk them. Like, we're going up to 15. We might skunk them like 15. I'll give them 15-5.
Okay. How you feeling? 3-time, 4-time champ. Good duo right here. How are we feeling? How are we feeling about this game with Jared and Ethan?
You know, we always gotta work in the off season. Even when you're a champion and you're the GOAT and everything. You feel me? So even though we got a formidable opponent and shit, me and Adam been working hard in the off season. So you feel me? We feared for a reason, and we gonna see right now. You feel me?
Reigning champion, 2-time champion. Now we have a new teammate coming in. How you feeling about your new teammate?
Let's get this shit started.
Oh yeah. Nothing else said?
Nah, not worried.
Not worried. Damn.
Whoa, that was a pocket. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Oh my God.
No, I was in.
No, it's pocket. No, fuck no, bro.
It's in.
On my mother, that's a pocket. 14.
It's get through. It's get through. Gang, it's get through. That's my fault, bro.
He missed it, but I just scored, nigga.
Yeah, I see.
13-11.
Is it game?
It's game, bro.
Come on.
Oh, my teammate, bro. I'm carrying Adam. Let's go, Adam.
What score?
10 up.
Oh, shoot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good serve.
Oh, yo.
That's good.
No.
It's still on.
No. Count it, bro. No. Count it.
It's still on.
No, bro. No, it's 11.
It's 11-10. It's 11-10.
We have 11.
They have 11, though.
It's 11-10. No, you don't. Yes, we do.
Uh-oh, they're losing the lead.
I'm having fun the whole time.
Oh, yeah?
Like, I ain't worried. Do I even gotta move?
Yeah,
that's two.
fucking bitch. Get on my car.
Oh, yeah. Shoot. What's going on? Hey, bro, he said you trash, bro. That's what I heard.
I'll take some responsibility.
No, he said you trash. He said you trash.
This game.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, sit that shit down.
Okay.
Yeah! Oh my God, bro! Oh my God! That's a fucking great play. Pass it. Next time y'all do that bullshit, it's a point for us. Alright, no point.
All right, no point. Next point that you got.